Hello every EMX Yahoo, and this episode they will explain BIBUFF demonstration of assembling and disassembling after receiving the BIBUFF electric vehicle. Now let's us a movie on total unboxing session. This is an accessory, soft set cushion. This is an accessory, front buffly. This is a sparrow part, front mudguard. This is a spur part, rear mudguard. The whole item was a bit heavy, so Primerica Jiva and some young man to help lift it together. There is still a product bus in the box that needs to be taken out and place it on the car. This is an accessory, tie leak cover. What we're representing now are a small accessories and installation tall kit. This is the prologue charter, TC Sub-Idol accessory. Now terahertz disassembly tools and screw accessories. This is a disc brake rotor and the product manual. The product unboxing in product tune has been completed. Let us a movie on total installation process. When assembling, disassembly only the parts you are assembling to prevent accidental scratches or bumps. Low synth straps. First, remove the front wheel on the seat of the cart to the disassembly. After lodging the wheel flat, take out auto disc brake rotor. Prepare dos aleo iniziaci. Remove the screws at the position. Pick up the disc brake rotor, align to it the alice and place it down, then tighten the screws. Take out the lever and say action on buttress. No, quattro du blu viera esiaci. Usa w in esiacina. Quesa na. Quattro polas camin atin pulus and e sartentui. Target a prepared frontal ale, align to it the all positions, and secure it properly. Terrific sink scraves. Dream of ethnotes. Finda gold position. Use it all to tick the knit, and makasura to secure the knit on the autosi. Stanta electric Vicky Cloprit. Dreamova Tapaka King. Removeth the screws and dalin depositum. Teach 10 with a toll. Matcha got Vicky from me. Take out the frames graves. Put it in, align it properly, and take the Italiano. Install a rear mudguard. Who says he's a trussel of the UV area and I say it to ton scroll the scroll. Then install the Maduro and take the Italiano. Install a tile bathtub. Loss in this grave. Plus it above flip properly. Alinte on his anti-tinte screws. Takata cushion. Press table alic net book less into plaza. Then tack it to prepare screws from under the set cushion and teeth and him. Preparative thin accessories. Ala, tialis, and tictin. Prepare accessories and tools. Install to Tercity. Install the front mudguard. Connect the OES properly. Assembly completed. Like and save this post for future reference of mean when assembling or disassembling.